I just recorded that entire half of the video without actually recording. Well, take two. Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I just got through recording a huge TJ Maxx haul, which hopefully might be up before this one. I have no freaking idea. If it is up, I will link it below. If not, well then look forward to it. One of the bags is actually hanging out back there. But I also just got in a small Sephora haul. They have been popping out their Sephora Favorites kits like there is like no tomorrow, and I was a good girl, I only picked up 2 of them. The first one that I got is the Sephora Favorites Clean Makeup Kit. Now remember, just because it is clean, according to them, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is better for you. It's just a buzzword that I think they like to throw around, but the items looked interesting. They don't look like items that I am readily familiar with, so I wanted to give it a shot. This is $29.38 Canadian, and they say that it has an $87 value. I am going to try to do the math and determine whether that value is actually accurate. The other kit that I got, which I'll go over after, is the Fresh Squeezed Kit. I mean, you know, why did I get this? Pretty much self-explanatory. What I think I mentioned in the other video that, you know, I didn't hit the record button on was that this bag is made out of essentially coated paper, so you can recycle it, hence the whole clean thing. And it appears that you can actually tear off the zipper so that you can recycle this part of the bag. Of course, then you just have to throw out the zipper, but that is neither here nor there. I still think it's a very cute concept. Maybe I will actually put this video up first in case you guys are interested, because these kits do have a tendency to sell out very, very quickly. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Cosa Sport. I do not think I have tried anything from this brand. I've tried Cosas, but I don't think it's the same as Cosa Sport. Maybe it is, I don't know, but it is called the Lip Fuel, and it says it is a hyaluronic lip balm. I have a gazillion lip balms open at the moment, but I don't care. I like to have them everywhere. And this one says Warm Tan Pulse. I like the packaging, it's very minimalistic. It said it is energizing, protective, and ultra healing. I do not know if it has SPF in it. That, to me, if I'm going out, is one of the important things that I tend to look for. Love the packaging. It's cute. It's flat. Do you know what this reminds me of? Who here remembers an old candy called Lick'em Sticks or something? It had a candy stick, and then you tear open the packet of powder and you dip it in. Pure sugar, absolutely awful for you, and I used to eat them all the time. Yeah, that's what this reminds me of, but it does have a little roll-up thing, which is cute. Oh, and it is tinted. Well, that's nice. I think it has a scent. Don't go by me. I'm just going to try it on top of this. It has a slight tint, but I am going to say one thing. This shape is very awkward to apply to your lips, especially since it has a slight tint to it. I really can't tell the full color because I already have lipstick on. I just found it very awkward to try to apply it. That's a very odd shape to have it in, I think. I see where they were going with the concept, but you know. The next thing that I have here is from, well, I have no idea. It's very, very hard to read. Had to kind of break out my magnifying glass there for a minute. But this is from Lila B. I don't know if I've tried anything from the brand. I've heard of it, of course. Let's see what it is. This says it is the Lovingly Tinted Lip Oil in Be Elegant. Okay, you know what? I'm going to have to take this off so that I can try this on. This is the little baby doe foot. Oh, it's rather dark. It almost, to me, looks like a liquid lipstick, not a tinted lip oil. Even though it looks rather dark in my hand, it does seem quite sheer on my lips, and it feels like a lip oil. It's just unusual for me, you know? The color is very pretty. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is quite a nice size, and this is RMS Beauty. RMS Beauty is something I've been wanting to try for, ever, and I don't know why I've actually never purchased anything. This is very interesting. Let's see what this says. It says it is a travel size, so very cool. You're actually getting 4 grams of product. It is the Living something face and Living Glow. Hold on. Living Glow face and body powder. Yes, powder. It comes with an adorable, exceedingly soft little velvet puff. And I'm sorry, that's a cuteness factor I didn't expect. Now, I'm not one to really put a body powder on or a glow oil or something unless, you know, I'm on camera because, you know, I cover up when I go out. Me, it just looks like a highlighter, to be perfectly honest with you. Comes out on the little puff. Okay, it's just a fancy way, I guess, of saying it's a highlighter. Let's see. I can't tell in the viewfinder. You guys gotta let me know what you think. Yeah, I can see it this time. That looks very pretty. Let's try some here. You know, because why not? Little puff is a little bit hard to, you know, maneuver. I mean, it's beautiful. Heck, if, you know, you want to glow, you're going to the beach. I'm sorry. You know, you're going out somewhere. Yeah, joking. And if you strategically placed it and didn't just slap it in the middle of your chest like I did, it's actually quite pretty. If it's going to get all over my clothes, I have no idea, but that is a very nice size and product to get. I've always wanted to try RMS, like I mentioned, so cool beans. The next thing, I like the packaging. Very just pretty. This is the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Coil volumizing mascara. Okay, so I won't be showing you the wand. Maybe, yes, okay, so here you can see on the package, it looks like a rather large wand. I'm thinking you're going to get nice fluffy lashes with it. This is something new that, again, I have not tried, so yay. Ooh, I've spoken about this. This is from Allure Beauty. Very expensive for their eyeshadow palettes. What is this, though? It says Rose Quartz Crystal Gemstone, but I had a hard time reading whether it was a shadow or something else, but let's see. Yes, this has to be a shadow, and looks gorgeous. I'm hoping that it has a magnetic bottom so that I can put it into a thingy. I think their aesthetic are these triangle things here. Ooh, that's exceedingly soft and exceedingly pigmented. Now, seeing that, I can't wait to get it on my eyes because it's making me want to purchase that palette that's on sale. You know, I had to throw it on just a little bit, right? Obviously, it really doesn't go with the shadow that I'm wearing, but that's a very nice shadow. Maybe they're really trying to promote the company, I said, but their price point, like $60, and I hadn't really heard of them before, but if that's any indication of the quality of their shadow, I think I'm going to be happy. Oh, look, it's a silica packet. I wonder how much these cost. There's one more thing in here, and this is from Allure Beauty. This is a full size. It is a multi-use color pigment.
So here's an interesting little tidbit of information that I learned. This product is not actually full size. When you look on Sephora or on the Allure website, as I did, the full size is actually 0.23 ounces and $32. This product that I received is 0.16 ounces, and the price that I came up with for it was $15.42. So that is a bit misleading. I just wanted to give you guys that information.
And the color is Before Today. I don't know exactly what that means. It has a lip thingy. Multi-use. Do you use it on your lips? Do you use it on your eyes? Maybe all of the above. I think it's got a really nice scent. It's kind of like a hot pink. Can you use it on your cheeks? Maybe. I guess that's kind of what multi-use would mean. Yeah, this isn't going to go with my look, but what the hey. It's a little thick going on, I think. Kind of collected in the corners of my mouth a little bit. Feels super duper comfortable. That's interesting. I don't know if I like the whole multi-use thing, because I like to usually just, I don't know why. Maybe it should be a good thing. Why it should bother me? I don't know. But you know, for the $29, that's a fabulous kit. It appears that we got 3 full-size items in here for 29 bucks. Can't wait to add up the total value of it because I think that is amazing. All products that I haven't tried. Now this here, I'm pretty sure I've tried some of the products before. This is $39, by the way. Sephora Favorites Fresh Squeezed Kit. This was $39.51 Canadian, and supposedly it has a 91 US dollar value. I like these little cardboard things. Occasionally I keep them, or you can recycle them. And very nicely comes with the plastic, which is kind of cool. I see something here that I think I'm very excited about. I love how they're all just cute little fruit themed colors. The first thing I'm pulling out is a very good, generous size. 3 full sizes, 2 travel sizes, and then the rest are just like deluxe samples. But this is the Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. I have a baby sample of this. I don't have one of this size. It is a two-faced primed and peachy. It is peach tinted, if you can see that. I'm pretty sure it's peach scented. Don't know. This isn't as mattifying, you know, that it sucks the life out of you. I do like this for the summertime because it does have a tendency to give a nice soft finish, but it doesn't feel overly drying on the skin. I said, and I would love if every single thing I bought came in a size like this, because then I would never feel guilty about having it, and I know that I could use it up. The next thing is from Marc Jacobs, if I can ever pull it out. Very cute packaging. It looks like the coconut powder packaging that I really enjoyed. And this is called Youthquake. It is a Marc Jacobs Hydrofull Retexturizing Gel Cream. I still don't know what that is. It says deep hydration, powerful pineapple enzymes. Your hydration something starts here. Is it a freaking moisturizer or is it a mask? Yellow like a pineapple. It feels very nice. I wish they gave more details on it though, you know? The next thing I have here is from Yay. It is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol. We just got this in the BoxyCharm. Yes, I have been enjoying this stuff very much. I kind of wish it was the eye. That would have made me super happy, but I'm not unhappy to have a backup of it. This is a Sephora Favorites, Dragon Fruit Lip Scrub. Yum. These are like the lip stories. They are fabulous. I want more of them, but I don't need a lot of lip products now because nobody sees our lips anymore. The packaging is adorable. It's cardboard. It's sealed, so let me open it. I don't know about a lip scrub in a thingy tube like this. Could be better, could be worse, but we're gonna find out. I can barely smell it. Don't feel any real scrubbies going on. Very moisturizing, but is it scrubby? Does it say scrub or does it say lip balm? No, definitely says scrub. It's slightly tinted. I have their watermelon lip balm, which I enjoy very much, so cool, and that is a full size. It is the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I just finished up a little baby sample of this, and I enjoyed it. I don't remember the ingredient base, but it is tinted, and what it does is it illuminates a little bit underneath your eye. It feels very nice going on, and I wouldn't say it conceals things, but it adds just maybe a little bit of illumination underneath there, which I kind of like. You're not going to be able to see it on my hand. Well, maybe you can. See that just a little bit? Again, I must take a good look at the ingredients again, but we will see. This makes me happy. I love their freaking packaging. From Milk Makeup, I don't know what it is though. It is their Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. I've never tried their face mask in a stick, but of course this is Milk's aesthetic. With the little thing. Even this, I can't smell anything. It almost looks like a blush though, doesn't it? Is it? Wait. Yeah, it is their Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. It feels very cooling on the hand, on the arm, or wherever I put it. I just didn't expect that because it really looks like it would be a blush. It's very soft. It has the same cooling effect that the under eye thingy like this does. This is the full size of it. That's very... I'm going to have to read. Again, they don't give you much instruction on any of the products. Let's leave that on for a few minutes and see what happens. There's one final thing in here, and it is the Sephora Collection Lychee Face Mask. Not complaining about that, but for $39 to get 3 full-size products, which of course they're considering the face mask a full size, this mask, this lip scrub, a generous size of this, a very generous size, and this is the only one that I'd say is super tiny, and even this is really not bad. So I love it. They all fit very cutely back in here, and I'm so happy with it. They had 2 100-point perks that I was actually interested in, and I actually, oh my goodness, me with the repeat words. I cashed in 500 points to get $10 off of the order just because I have over 5,000 points and I can never ever get one of like the big things. But this is the Brioche Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mask. This is barely enough for my hair, but that is okay. Let me just see, because I'm just going to use it probably a couple of days. I just washed my hair. It's green. It's a mask for your hair. This is drying down, so I'm assuming that you have to wash it off. It's a very interesting concept for a mask. And then the other 100-point perk that I got was the Tatcha Silk Canvas, but the liquid, I don't have any clue if I'm going to like this, which is why I wouldn't buy a full size. And besides, I have enough primers to last me till next century. I've heard interesting things about this, and that it even works for dry skin people. I'm definitely not dry, but I'm more definitely not oily. It's the same kind of color as the Balm one. I really do enjoy that. I just think the price is absurd. I don't know. I'll see. This is definitely enough for me to give it a good go with several different products. So that was my order. I know, not too crazy, right? Not saying I didn't go crazy on anything else, but you know, that's neither here and there. Here and there. Oh, Leanne, you need sleep. But you know, that's neither here nor there. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of these. Have you picked any of them up? Were you considering picking them up? Are you thinking about it more now that I picked it up? Again, I have to give you more information on the products, but I'm excited because there's a lot of things that are new to me, and I enjoy that. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys tremendously. You're amazingly wonderful people. I am trying to get back to my normal self, although was I ever normal to begin with? Probably not. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I would love for you to become part of this family because we are indeed the best family. Everyone who has been here knows that. Again, I love you, and of course, whatever part of the world you're in on around, I hope you're having an amazing day and amazing week coming up. I'm glad I hit record this time. I was just checking, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye! Now, I am neither dry, but I'm definitely not normally. Normally?